Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? It is not too bad today, the weather wise. It's still winter and I'm not liking it at all. So what have I got for you today? Well, first off, I want to say a big thank you to everybody for taking part in the hashtag Sock It To Me 2023. Thank you everybody. I have had last year I did it with Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits, and this year I'm doing it all on my little own, and the response I've had, guys, has been amazing. So thank you to each and every one of you for sharing it out, and you have certainly been prolific, guys. I am absolutely delighted. I've only made one pair of socks this month. It's been a busy month and I've got other things that I want to get done, so I'm happy this year at the moment if I just do one pair of socks. And if you want to take part, you can crochet them, you can knit them, you can make them with the loom. All I ask is that they are handmade. And and then if you want to take part, send me email me a photograph of your socks. Let me know whose pattern you followed, because I want to give credit to the pattern writer. What yarn you've used, and what needle size you've used, and whether you've used circulars, DPNs, the magic loop, and yeah, so I look forward to what you're all going to do next month. Woohoo! Yes. So I've got two pairs to show you, but I've only done one pair this month. Now, the ones I want to show you are my Christmas Eve socks, because I don't think I finished them before the last year's roundup. And the yarn is from Beehive Yarns, and it was from their Christmas Eve box, and I actually did colour work, which I am so proud of, guys. Can you see? And somebody was saying that you wouldn't be able to see the pattern. I think it was Emma, with the yarn. And Emma, I think you do indeed see the colour work, and I definitely I mean, but each to their own, guys, you know, each to their own. But I definitely think you can, the colour work does pop for me. So yeah, so they were the last socks I made in 2022. Now these socks are made with King Cole Footsie and the colourway Kiwi, and you can definitely see it's a kiwi. These are for a friend of mine, so she's got quite, I think she's got the same size feet as Rick. So yeah, and I did a longer, she wanted a longer leg. So they're not quite twins, but they're as close to as I could get it. And yeah, so they are Kath's socks. So yeah, this for February socks I'm going to be doing Stephen West's. You just bear with me. I'm doing Stephen West's cable trellis socks. He's doing the year of socks this year, so I'm doing that. And the yarn that I'm going to actually do them in, guys, is the leftover yarn from my Twists and Turns cowl. So that is going to be the main, and this is going to be, so I'm putting them two together, and I know they go together. So this is their botanical yarn. Botanical yarn, and yeah, it's a superwash merino and a nylon, and I think they will look really nice with these socks. And I think these are going to be, I'm going to do these for Rick actually. These are going to be Rick's socks. And if I like the pattern, I might even do myself a pair. But we'll see. So yeah, so they've my February socks. So just to finish off, I would like to thank the following. And at the end of this podcast, at the end of this video, there is a slideshow of these content creators who have taken part in the hashtag Sock It To Me 2023 for this year. So we've got Bonnie Got Knits. Thank you, Bonnie. We've got 3 off Bonnie. Anne from Toby Knits, we've got 2. We've got Mariette de Bouvra, and then we've got Hannah Sidiris, we've got Yarn Arm Sheelagh, we've got Dinky Crafts Jennifer, we've got Have a Go Joanne, we've got Deanne from Needle and Hook Burrow, and of course Amy Knits. So thank you so much, ladies. The description in the description box below are the links to these content creators who have taken part this month in the Sock It To Me challenge. Well, it's not a challenge. Well, it is, but I've not called it challenge. Anyway, that's by the by. Please go and check these amazing content creators out, guys. I really would appreciate that. And thank you all for watching and taking part. And even if you don't take part, you know, that's fine. I'm just so grateful for you watching. And oh gosh, I've lost the pot, guys. It's Monday morning, guys. It's Monday morning. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking with it. It's Monday. So yeah, thank you to everybody for all your comments, for all your likes. If you're watching this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you can't leave a comment, please leave a thumbs up, because that really helps with my algorithms. Oh my gosh, I need to go and find my teeth, guys. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.